Print your document with lots of space between each line by triple spacing it. This quick tip provides some fast and easy steps for getting the spacing you want without affecting your document in a lasting manner. If you ever have a need to triple space your document before printing it, Word provides an easy way to do this. If possible, you should keep your document in the format in which you view it on the screen and only format it for triple spacing before you actually print. The traditional way to print a triple-spaced version of your document is to start by saving the document, which I've already done with this document on the screen, and then press Ctrl-A to select the entire document. On the Home tab of the ribbon, I'm going to click this little icon at the bottom right corner of the paragraph group. That displays the paragraph dialog box. You'll notice that there's quite a few fields in here that aren't filled in. That's because I have the entire document selected. I want to pay attention, though, to this control right down here that says line spacing. I'm going to click on line spacing, and then what I want to do is I want to choose multiple right down here. Multiple allows me to then, using the at control over here, specify how many multiples of the line that I want to have. The default is 3, which works just fine for me because I want this to be triple spaced. Then when I click on OK, I can scroll through this and you can see that my entire document is triple spaced, ready to be printed with plenty of space in between each line. Once I've printed it, then I can close the document without saving it. And this last step is quite important because if you save your document before exiting, then the triple spacing will be permanently saved with the document as well. Now I'm going to press Ctrl-Z to get back to the single spacing that we have within the document. But you'll notice that the document is still selected. The entire document is selected. This is so I can show you the other way of doing triple spacing within the document. With the document selected, like it is right now, all I have to do is on the Home tab of the ribbon, in the paragraph group, I'm going to click in this line and paragraph spacing tool. And all I have to do then is select 3, and my document is triple spaced so that I can print it out the way that I want. Again, when I'm done printing, I need to make sure that I don't save the document, otherwise the triple spacing will be saved in the document file. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for the free Word Tips newsletter. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.